Are you ready to unleash your full potential and excel in your preferred entrance examinations, paving the way towards your desired career? Are you in search of tailored guidance and assistance to overcome the hurdles of language proficiency tests in pursuit of your aspirations abroad? Abhyaas Edu Technologies has been guiding students to success for over a decade, offering unique features that set us apart. At Abhyaas, we specialize in undergraduate entrance programs such as CLAT, IPMAT and CUET, guiding you every step of the way towards securing your spot in the top universities. Led by esteemed alumni from prestigious institutions like IIM Bangalore, NIT Warangal and Nalsar Hyderabad, our team brings unparalleled expertise and dedication to your success. But wait, there's more. We also offer comprehensive coaching for PG entrance exams, including CAT, as well as language proficiency tests like GRE and IELTS, ensuring that you possess the competitive edge in today's fast-paced world. With our exclusive online portal, Edmark, you can access live classes and recorded sessions anytime, anywhere, ensuring flexibility and convenience in your learning journey. Experience personalized attention like never before with our one-on-one interaction sessions, where our expert instructors provide tailored guidance to address your individual needs and maximize your potential. With multiple batches tailored to suit your schedule and individualized guidance from our seasoned tutors, Abhyaas is committed to empowering you to reach new heights of achievement. And that's not all. Our dedicated support staff is available 24/7 to assist you, ensuring hassle-free enrollment and continuous support throughout your educational journey at Abhyaas. So, don't just dream about success. Make it a reality with Abhyaas Edu Technologies. Enroll today and embark on your journey to a brighter future.